see whether can go standby ready or not. Standby steady means they are not flashing. Steady means like that. Okay, you can go steady, it means from here, no fault.
Okay, yes,
okay?
yes.
So you want to check the fault is from here to here. So I need to turn it on. So this one, when the fault come out, is 8 seconds or after 8 seconds. You don't need to count. So something like that. Can I go already? Got light already. Okay, this is good. This one now you see 0.4 already. Once the lamp is on, 0.4 already. Now you check this one. And that one is very low. Okay?
Because we set it low.
I think it should be okay.
Yes, now increasing.
Yeah. Yeah, now look okay, the light on. At this moment it's light on. Okay, you have to run for, we call it burn-in test. Turn it on for 1 hour. You see any problem? That's how we normally